Hi there, Biljana from Magic Feedback. This video is for all of you that are creating customer feedback surveys, often on a regular continuous basis, and that have been creating them for years, writing these questions for years in the same old way, question after question after question. Isn't there a better way? Yes, now there is a better way. There is a better way with Magic Surveys Wizard. It's a very well kept secret. And I'm here to share it with you. Why? Because I want you to do your job faster, I want you to do your job better, and I want you to do your job with enough time to spare for the fun and nice things in life. So if you wanna save time, stay tuned, listen in, and let me show you how Magic Survey AI Wizard can just make your life so much easier. This is actually a real life example. I had to do this week. I had to do questionnaire for an ICP interview. So create survey for ICP. Oh my god, my typing for ICP interview to collect information about customer feedback process. Now when I say click on the plus, it's starting to load, it's coming up with these great questions, so just trust in the process. It's come up with a lot of short answer questions. What are the key challenges you face? How do you measure the effectiveness? What are the most important metrics? Just please note what's pre-selected here is an AI follow-up question. This means that when your customers respond in real time, the AI would understand their response and they would ask them a very relevant AI follow-up question. It's actually something quite unique for Magic Feedback, and something that I promise you would deliver you much more in-depth responses that you could have ever imagined. But to be frank with you, I'm not certain that for my purposes this is perfect, so I just want to refine it a little bit. So I would like a combination of short answers and multiple choice, and please start with the multiple choice. I want them to start easy. All right. While it's thinking, I can tell you a little more about our survey. You can customize the name, the description, the language, the background color, the logo. You can make it just like you want it. And let's see, it's already in that super short time, it's already come out with new questions. So how satisfied are you with the current customer feedback process? I like that. It's giving me, a direction for easy starting of the survey. What are the most important factors that you consider when evaluating? That's also really good. What are the best challenges you face? Now we're getting into these short answers, and I love that because now the customer would be actually ready to give me that response. What specific improvements would you like to see? Nice. Do you have any other comments or suggestions? I mean, I couldn't have written those questions better myself, to be honest. So, we need to write a name for our survey. We forgot that. Test survey with Wizard. That's how we call our amazing algorithm that creates these survey questions. So we're saving our survey now. And there you have it. I promised you to show you how to create surveys faster with super high quality at the same time. If you want to see this in practice, don't hesitate to reach out to our team. We'll be happy to show you a demo, and just stay tuned for my next video where I'm going to see you exactly how the survey looks like, and please subscribe. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go and congratulate myself with the time well saved and well spent. Speak to you soon.